If you need to recover your IM Plus account but no longer have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the IM Plus login page. Go to the official IM Plus login page on your device or browser. This is where you will start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page and click on it. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Choose Alternative Recovery Options. Since you don't have access to your email, select any alternative recovery options provided, such as phone number or security questions. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ISR to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Reset your password. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be prompted to reset your password. Choose a new password that is secure and memorable, then confirm the changes. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your IM Plus account without needing your email. Good luck!